lost the series against England 3-0 in the favor of England, is what the scorecard states. There are many issues which should be talked about, but there is one issue which has been very consistent since the India versus Ireland series. It's India's middle order. So let me take you a bit back in time. The first T20I, India versus Ireland at Belfast. Abhishek Sharma comes in. Abhishek Sharma scores 49 runs of 20 balls, and after that, Team India was unable to chase 180 plus target because the middle order was unable to contribute much. Yes, Shivam Dube and Akshar Patel did stitch a partnership of 35 runs, but in that partnership as well, Akshar Patel scored 15 runs facing 16 balls, and eventually India lost the first match. The second match, India vs Ireland, second T20I. The target was as small as 155. Tilak Verma came in. He scored 55 runs with the strike rate of 119. At the end, Harshit Rana tried his best. He scored 20 runs facing 10 or 11 balls, but that was not enough to take the Indian team par the finishing line, and eventually India lost that Ireland series. Now comes the India versus England T20I series, the 5 T20I matches series. The first match was washed out, but in that match as well, Abhishek Sharma scored 59 runs. Shreyas Iyer came in, he scored 68 runs. Shivam Dube came in, he scored a quick 42 runs. Despite that, Team India only managed to add 189 runs on the scoreboard. With these figures, everybody would have expected above 200 score, but Team India only managed to score 189 runs with the target of 190 for England, and eventually that match got washed out. The second T20I, India versus England. Again, Abhishek Sharma stepped in. Again, Abhishek Sharma scored runs and also built a partnership of 50 runs with Vaibhav Suryavanshi, and everybody expected that this match is in India's favor. Tilak Verma came in. Tilak Verma scored 24 runs facing 11 balls, but that particular fast quick fire knock came a bit late, and Team India only managed to score 190 runs, the total which was being talked about that it could cross the 200 mark. Again, it was unable to cross the 200 mark because the middle order collapsed and India lost the momentum. Eventually, India lost that match as well. The third T20I, one of like the next level humiliation for Indian team. Indian team got bowled out at just one. It was a 125 runs defeat. India got bowled out for 76 runs only, and the opening pair, they just added 23 runs on the board, and eventually, obviously, India lost that match as well. It was not a big score, but India failed to chase 201, 202. India lost that match as well. Now comes the fourth T20I. The fourth T20I in Bristol, everybody was expecting that India can at least win this match. Both the openers, they got out cheaply. Ishan Kishan came in, he just added 4 runs on the board. Shreyas Iyer was the lone warrior in the fourth T20I versus England, where he scored 80 not out while facing 49 balls. Yes, there was a partnership between Shreyas Iyer and Shivam Dube, but Shivam Dube's score was not good. He scored with the strike rate of 100, and that's not what's needed in the modern day cricket T20Is. And eventually, India lost the fourth T20I as well because they only managed to give the target of 159 runs. And this is the condition of India's middle order since the series versus Ireland. Yes, again, there are many issues to be talked about, but one of the most serious issue is India's middle order, which is failing to cross the finishing line since the Ireland series. What are your opinions on all these things? Do let me know in the comments. For more such updates, news and latest news, keep watching Rev Sports. Thank you so much for watching.